a brief introductory video to show you how your adventure is going to work for this week with the mazes and puzzles. So this gives you just a basic description right at the top for what the activity is going to entail, but then you actually get to every activity right here every single day. You are going to go here where it says your adventure is waiting, click here, and when you do, it's going to take you to a Google form. You're always going to want to put your email in first. You want to put your last name, you want to put your first name, and what grade you're in. And then it says this week's adventures will be divided up into 5 daily parts. So the 5 days worth of activities are all divided up according to day. And they're in this nice little check mark form. So every single time you complete a part of that activity, you just check it off. So for the first day, for example, it says video number 1. And it's kind of an introduction to this week.